Hi there, in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to add sound effects to your game. So basically, I'm going to need a Greenfoot sound variable for each sound effect. And in my game, I'm going to have two chime sounds for the countdown. And then I'm going to have a background audio for before the race and a background audio for when the race is going. And that background audio is just going to be the noise of jets. Now, I got these, the chimes I got from the sound effects library that I have, which I'm putting a link to in Classroom. I think I gave you a link to it before. It's a link of about 1,000 WAV files. For the jet noise, I actually did a screen capture of the noise, and I can help you with this if there is an background music or some sound effect that you would like, and you can play it on YouTube. I can help you with it, get that sound for your game. So as I said, I'm going to need a Greenfoot sound variable for each sound effect. So one is going to be called, for me, jet noise, idle, and jet noise racing. And then I'm going to say chime 1 and chime 2. Okay, now in the constructor, I'm going to actually create the sounds and assign them to the variables. Now, you can use WAV files or MP3 files. Either of them will work. I think I have MP3 files. So I'm going to say jet noise idle equals new Greenfoot sound, and then the name of the file. And the name of my file is jetnoiseidle.mp3. And once again, or if I haven't said it yet, these audio files need to be sitting in the sounds folder of your game. So if I go to my game in File Explorer and I go and let's see, it's right here. And I go into the sounds folder. There we go. Jet noise racing.mp3, jet noise idle, chime 1, and chime 2. Okay, so back to my code. And I'm going to say jet noise racing equals new Greenfoot sound. Now, your variable name doesn't have to be the same as the name of the file. It just kind of is similar, and by the way I chose to do it, but it doesn't really need to be the same. And let's see, chime 1 equals new Greenfoot sound. Chime 1. Once again, if you have WAV files, you would put .wav instead of MP3. Okay, so now, oops, I forgot a quotation mark symbol. Now, I want, as soon as you open the game, I want the idle jet noise to be playing. So I'm going to put it in the constructor, the command to play the noise. And I'm going to play it in a looping fashion. So I'm going to say jet noise idle dot play loop right in the constructor. So that's going to play the idle noise. Then when I go into countdown mode, I'm going to start playing my chimes one at a time. So the first thing is I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to play the sound. Chime 1, and then I'm going to play chime 2. So it's just chime 1 dot play, chime 2 dot play, chime1.play and chime2.play. And then when the game goes into running mode, I'm going to say jet noise idle.stop because it's looping, and then jet noise racing.play loop. Okay, and then finally, when the game goes into finished mode, I'm going to make the idle noise play again. So I'm going to go where the race is run, and I'm going to say jet noise racing.stop and jet noise idle.play. And that's going to go in each location where somebody has won the race. Okay, with any luck, I did this correctly, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so good. I launched the game, I'm playing the noise, the background noise. Then I hit run, and then I press S. Okay, and then you probably noticed my noise ended. Good. And then if I do S again, oh, okay. So one more thing to put, and that is I need to, yeah, let me mute the audio. And actually, let me comment that out. Because it's in the constructor, it's going to play even when I'm editing my game. So I'm just going to comment it out temporarily, which is in the constructor, which is right there. Okay, so now I think it's when I first set when the game is done and they're restarting and a 3 goes on the board. I think I said I need to say chime1.play. Okay, and let me try it now. Run. So, okay. Okay. Good. I think that's it. Okay, so of course I would uncomment out the sound or the jet noise idle.play loop when I'm ready, when I'm completely finished with my game.